Hello, y'all. Today, we gonna be going outside with a remote control car in the snow. We're doing this with my buddy Seth.
I was good.
All right, you ready to do this, bro? All right, y'all. Here we go. All right. Here we are. It don't work? Correct.
Yo, can I grind snow with it?
Yo.
I can shred snow with it.
Shed the snow. Wait, I don't set this up right here. We're gonna do a race. All right, this is the snowstorm in Ohio right now. Hope y'all like it. This is my buddy Seth.
Yo, this doesn't work. It don't work.
Let's do a race.
It won't work. Look. It doesn't work on like the powder. It doesn't work at all. Look. It don't work. I'm taking it back inside.
All right, take it back inside.
All right, quick change of plans. We're gonna be doing a reenactment.
Or what?
Reenactment.
What's that mean?
You know what a war is, right?
You know what war is?
A war reenactment. A reenactment as in like you relive that, you replay it, you act it out. I'm just gonna be sitting here. That's all we really gotta do.
The GoPro. Oh, all right.
Where's my hat? Where's my... Dang it.
Bro, where'd your hat go?
My cover. Okay, it's right here.
Bro. All right, y'all. I'm gonna be running with this thing and see what happens, all right?
Oh God, you're cooked.
3. All right. And by the way, y'all, I'm not just doing a small run. I'm going all the way out there.
And I'm still faster than these bibs.
Yeah, you are.
Somehow.
I got bibs too, bro.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. I'm a GoPro. The GoPro, bro. All right. Bro.
Yo, y'all are... All right, hold on, stop. Let me tighten. Oh my God.
If my phone falls in there, I'm cooked.
Let me tighten it.
All right, tighten it up.
Shouldn't do that anymore.
All right. All right. Back.
Uh-uh.
All right.
Dig yourself in the snow.
We over here in the cold.
Dig yourself in the snow.
Make a little thingy here. We got 10 minutes out here.
Dig yourself in the snow like I am.
We got 10 minutes out here before like frostbite and stuff starts hitting it.
No. 10 minutes till we gotta go back in.
All
right. Both of our fathers are Marines, and they both suck.
Yeah, 2 fathers suck.
And
they're both Marines.
this is my dad's cover.
Yeah.
And this dude is my friend. So yeah, we're just chilling out here for a little bit.
We're just chilling out here in the Ohio
Blizzard.
It's
It hasn't gotten like too bad yet, but
as y'all can see,
it's getting negatives.
Yeah, we're in the negatives. Oh my God, I can't touch the ground. Okay. Woo! I touched the ground, I'm getting
We both have
frostbite.
bibs.
Yeah, as you can see, for miles it's just snow.
Hey, cut that part out where I said your name.
All right, you're good.
Hey, dig yourself.
No,
in the
I already
snow.
did a name reveal. You're good. You can call me
Dig
Fire
yourself-
Dude though.
Dig yourself in the snow. You can reveal my name. I don't care. My name's Seth.
Seth, Liam,
All right.
Fire Dude, Calthalin.
Yeah, I've been in his videos before. I've been in his...
All right, as y'all can see, if we went that way for miles, it's nothing but snow.
have to throw something at him.
And we go that way, it's also snow for miles. These ways lead home.
Dig yourself in the snow.
So-
Dig yourself in the snow right here. Like, embed your legs in snow right now.
All right, I'm gonna put the GoPro on the fence.
Bet.
All right.
I'm about to break it.
10% battery.
Is the video saved? Hey, does the video save if it dies?
Yeah, it still saves.
Alright.
Battery dies fast on iPhone though.
I know.
By the way, I reveal I have hazel eyes. He has gray eyes. We're both rare.
Uh-huh.
So y'all
Mine get mistaken for blue a lot, and it gets me really annoyed.
Yeah. Ugh. Thing, as y'all can see, it's just our home is like all the way over there. Our home is over there. Luckily, we're close to it in this blizzard, so yeah. Is that power from the power lines? Listen to that. Is that the power lines?
No. That's the snow.
Okay.
It's raining down on it.
Okay.
We wouldn't physically be able to hear it unless it does over 1,000 to 2,000 volts.
Yeah, he's the smart one. I'm the dumb one, if y'all can't tell.
I'm smart in guns. Point the camera at me. I'm smart in guns, hunting. Anything that involves guns or military, I'm smart with it. I'm also smart in science, but I'm mainly smart with hunting and military and guns. That's all. Those are the three main things that I'm smart with.
I'm smart with stuff like math.
You are not smart in math. I'm telling you right now, your grades.
I'm like
They aren't
school and
buns.
stuff.
They aren't buns.
We
but they're
both
kinda buns.
we both have half a brain cell. Together we share one brain cell.
Yes. That's our inside joke.
Yeah. Yo, there's someone over there.
Yeah, I know. They're in their house.
Yeah. I think that's Xander's dad.
Screw Xander.
Yeah.
Don't leak his name though.
It's fine. I'll blur it out. Oh my god.
What?
Try not to say Xander's name too much, or I'll have a lot to blur out.
Okay. Now you have to blur that out.
Well, yeah, but like, I give you a warning.
Yeah,
Like-
don't say his name too much. So.
It looks
Okay.
like you're kind of smiling with that mask when you put the snow on it.
Let me see.
Here, let me bring the GoPro closer to you.
Oh, it does. Hold up. Let me keep the camera on me.
Uh,
Let me see if it's in the middle. Yeah.
mhm.
All right. I got it all.
We're just sitting out here talking. For how long? We're gonna be out for here for 10 minutes, probably. Maybe not recording for 10 minutes, but 10 minutes.
Yeah, we'll give you updates. I'll be here. I'll be at his house for a while.
Mhm. Recreate World War II.
Don't have the proper gear for that. I have the proper volleyball for it.
All right,
It's just a regular green one.
hold this GoPro. Talk to him for a while. I'm gonna be right back.
All right. So this man is being stupid because he's going home.
No, I'm not. I'll be right back. I gotta get something.
Oh yeah, he's going home. He's going
Okay,
home.
bro.
He's being goofy. He's going home. Look at this man. Look at that boy.
Bro, I'm hurrying.
Look at this man.
All right.
Look at this goofy boy going home.
All right.
Look at him going home. Probably give it. Look at this. He lying. He is going home, bro. I don't know if y'all can see him, but I can. Yo, look at this boy. He going home. He's going home. Look at that. No, this goofy boy is going home. Look at that boy. Nah, bro. Alright, so what I didn't tell y'all, I'm also the only one out of the two of us that actually works out. I do daily 100 sit-ups. He doesn't do anything. I lift 128 pounds. He can lift 30. Which is kind of sad. In the comment section, if you can, please, just God, please, ask him to work out more. When you see this video, ask him to work out more. Please, ask him to work out. It's getting annoying that he's not working out. So please convince him to work out. I'm getting sick of it.